human heart part 2.
Today we are learning about the human transport system. So the one on the top left hand corner, correctly so, now is the right atrium. The right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from the rest of the body or all parts of the body. After here, it will pump the blood into the right ventricle, and this is therefore our right ventricle, which is the bottom chamber on the right. What does the right ventricle do? It pumps the same deoxygenated blood now out of this right ventricle through here to the lungs, where previously I told you it enters into what we call the pulmonary circulation. When the deoxygenated blood gets pumped to the lungs, it will therefore over there, it will obtain oxygen and get rid of course, the waste gas product like carbon dioxide. Now, the one on the top right-hand corner is what we call the left atrium. Of course, therefore, the one on the bottom would be called the left ventricle. Okay, let's settle the name there. What happens over here? The left atrium, therefore, now receives oxygenated blood that has come back from the lungs. And after it has received this, it will now pump the oxygenated blood it received into here, which is the left ventricle. And what happens in the left ventricle is that the left ventricle now handles the oxygenated blood and pumps it out through here, okay? And that goes to all parts of the body. Please note that the left ventricle, as you can see from here, has the thickest walls in the structure of this heart. And this is to enable the pumping of the left ventricle to create the highest pressure so that the blood that leaves the heart can travel through the entire systemic circulation, which is a relatively long route.
Stay tuned for more contents. Click the plus for more info.